Tanya's job has gotten a lot more difficult in recent months. As the owner of this daycare center, she now spends a lot of extra time on sterilizing and cleaning in the face of the pandemic.
Everyone has their own diapers, their own wipes. We change our gloves in between diaper changes at all times. We have the children wash their hands right after. We have them sing happy birthday 20 seconds.
Apart from disposable items, the daycare center uses more sanitizing gels and wipes than ever before. And while the cost of its service is going up, the number of customers has gone down.
All the parents were quarantining. Some of them lost their jobs. So we went from having about 28 kids to right now we only have 7. But at first we did lose all of them.
They have furloughed nearly half the staff, and for now they're only allowed to receive children of frontline workers. Many daycare centers find themselves in a unique position. As essential businesses, they don't necessarily qualify for the small business loans as financial assistance, and yet given the circumstances, most of them now have far less customers. Tanya says they had to choose between health or paycheck.
They said, it's your business, you can close it if you want. So I'm like, okay, either close it and lose business and lose my paycheck, or open and then put myself at risk, my family at risk, and so now I have to just kind of protect myself and the children that come to our care.
The small family business was also motivated to stay open due to the desperate need for childcare by some of the frontline workers in their community.
Us being incorporated to this community for about 30 years, we wanted to act as a family. We wanted them to know that we are there for them. So if they needed to go to work, we wanted to know that they can depend on us as Angelica's Daycare. So we did our best to prepare. We bought every resource that we could get our hands on. We saw videos. We've taken classes.
Reports about a new syndrome linked to coronavirus affecting children has only added more to the uncertainty.
We heard about the Kawasaki, which was a strain from the coronavirus, and that is almost making us make the decision of maybe shutting down in June too, if we see that it does continue to affect children. So we're just following the news. We watch the news religiously, and we're just trying to get more help, more assistance, more guidance,
The siblings say they're optimistic about getting back to normal as soon as possible, but they say they are worried about what's ahead. It is Tianshan, CGTN, Los Angeles.
A lot of the times we